Hi friends, welcome to the third video of our CNC series. Today, we will create energy within our body and direct this energy to the 5 elements or the Panchamahabhutas. Panchamahabhutas simply translates into the 5 elements of nature. Our body is also made up of these Panchamahabhutas according to our ancient science of yoga and Ayurveda. Now everything in this universe or multiverse that we can perceive or not perceive is made up of these 5 elements, and these are Prithvi, Earth, Agni, Fire, Jal, Water, Vayu, Air, Akash, Ether. Earth element in our body is all heart part of our body, and that is the bones, muscles and the organs, also the food which we eat. And still, earth element is only 12% of our body. The fire is located in the form of Jatragni or digestive fire. Our body temperature is result of Agni too. And about 4% of our body is made up of fire element. Now water constitutes 74% of our body and also our planet, which is huge. Blood, plasma, mucus in our body are the part of water element. Now air constitutes only 6% of our body. Managing air in our body is really easy through pranayama. Akash or ether is the most subtlest of all the elements, and it is present in the hollow cavities of our body in the form of radio frequencies, light radiation, cosmic rays. And 6% of our body is Akash element, which can be enhanced. And this element is not constant, while all other elements are constant in ratio in our body. Friends, whatever we do to uplift ourselves by following yams, niyams, asana, pranayam, dharana, etc., it is a process of bhuta shuddhi, and that is the cleansing of 5 elements. Now let us experience this practically to some extent. For that, I will request you to sit in any comfortable position. Eyes gently shut and keep your palms on your knees in Chin Mudra. Take a long inhalation and deep exhalation. A gentle in-breath and a long out-breath. Relax your facial muscles, your shoulders and the whole body. Just focus on your breath, keeping your spine upright. Now, allow yourself to travel to a place where nature is in abundance. All the 5 elements are in full glory. Imagine yourself walking barefoot on the bank of a river which is flowing through a dense green jungle and surrounded by high mountains. The sun is slowly rising from behind the mountains. Gentle breeze is flowing and brushing past you. As you walk, you feel the soil beneath your feet. Cross the river and feel the cool water around your feet. After crossing the river, you are going deep into the forest, finding your way among the thick foliage of trees and bushes. You may touch any leaf. You may feel the texture, the softness, and the pure energy flowing through the leaves and now getting transferred to you. Immerse yourself in this energy. Let go of the leaf and walk ahead. You find yourself in a clearing basking in gentle sunshine. You feel recharged as the sun's ray cleanse and purify your aura. You resume your walk and come out of the jungle, and in the open air, look hard and long towards the open sky, Akash. It is holding us all together. Cool air blowing on your face, and you feel the purity of it. Sit at one place and just let go of your fear, ego, anger, hatred, frustration, worries, anxieties, jealousy. With full belief, tell yourself, I am healthy, I am happy, I am in love with myself and others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me and for whatever you have not given me. With this sense of gratitude, bring your hands together, rub your palms, cup your eyes and slowly open them. Hope you had a relaxing experience. Now we will chant Shanti Path to infuse in our body, our mind and our surroundings with positive vibrations. Om Jai Shanti Antariksha Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapaha Shanti Roshadhayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantiredi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.